Hello friends, welcome back to Greta's Travels and welcome to this next video in the Malaysia trip series. Today we are in Georgetown. We've only got one day here. We arrived last night and we're leaving tomorrow. So it's going to be a packed day seeing all of the highlights of Georgetown in Penang. We are starting with Kek Lok Si Temple. Kek Lok Si Temple is the largest Buddhist temple in Malaysia. It's a huge sprawling complex built on different levels, and you have to take a funicular to reach its upper levels and the 36-meter tall statue of Kuan Yin, the Buddhist goddess of mercy. Second stop of our day in Georgetown, we have just come to Jetty. Jetty is a pretty unique area as it's a collection of wooden houses on stilts and boardwalks. This is where Chinese immigrant communities settled in the 19th century. From Jetty, it's a short walk over to the charming historical city centre of Georgetown. Malaysia in general is a country where different cultures meet and blend together, but this is especially visible in Georgetown. As you walk around the center, you will go from the streets of Chinatown with red lanterns strung along its sides to the streets of Little India lined with colorful sari shops. Georgetown is also famous for its interactive street art. Wander around the city center and see how many pieces you can spot. Another thing you can't miss in Georgetown are the food courts. There are a few big ones in the city centre, like Red Garden Food Paradise and the Jetty Food Court, where you can try a variety of delicious Asian food for a very affordable price and also enjoy a little bit of live music. And that's a wrap on the Georgetown video. Make sure to subscribe and come back next week for a new episode in the Malaysia Travel series.